Well, good morning. This is Pops with Pops and GiGi's Workshop, coming to you straight from my toilet. No, I'm not sitting on the toilet as you would think people sit on the toilet. I'm sitting on the toilet thinking about the job thinking about the task that I'm getting ready to undertake. We have a water leak somewhere in our house, and the first thing we have done is gone around to look to see where it's coming from. And one of the first things that we thought we better replace is all the valves on the toilets themselves, and we have 3 toilets. We have a 3-holer here at the Gordon house. But anyway, what I'm going to do is put in this Fluid Master flapper kit, I guess you'd call it. The official terminology is the flush valve repair kit. Fixes leaks and saves water. That's my objective for this morning, and if you have never done one, just watch. We'll do one together and see how it turns out. Okay, we're going to turn the water off to the toilet now, so I'm going to go down here and hold this. There's your water valve. Just simply reach down and turn it to the right until the water is cut off. Okay. Then you come back up and you flush the toilet to try to get rid of as much water as you can in the basin before you start to take things apart. Okay, I'm going to reach down in here and take the oil flapper off. Just pop it and pull it up. Now you see all this black residue that's built up over time? This is not too bad, but that can create a problem. It can not give you a good seal down in here and let the water leak, okay? Then you have to detach it from the arm. Now you have to pardon the residue in our toilet. This thing's probably about 25 years old. We've never replaced it since we've been here, so. And then we're going to go to the new valve. And the first thing you do after you open the package is take these directions and throw them away. That's why you're watching this YouTube video. Because you're like me, you don't like to read directions. Now you'll notice this is the replacement. It has a different setup. It doesn't go back over this and attach to this like the other one did. What we're going to do is it has a wax seal here. You take and peel this wax seal off.
The paper off the seal.
Yeah, the paper off the seal. Thanks, Gigi. My videographer here is straightening me out, which I need that. And then you go down at this angle. And then you just push it down. And push that wax down around the flange from the porcelain bottom of the toilet. Okay. And then you attach it to your arm. Now, you may have to adjust the chain a little bit to allow for the right amount of height to open up, which I'm going to have to from the get-go here, it looks like. So, what I'm going to do is let the arm hang and then put the chain over here close to it, about where it would latch in. Kind of guesstimate it. You might have to do this 2 or 3 times to get it right, but your time is cheaper than a plumber's time, so just go ahead and do that. Latch it in. Now when I pull it up, after I turn the water on, the water will hold the flap up. So here we go. And you turn the water on by simply turning the dial to the left, or the handle to the left. This is the slow, tedious process. Waiting for it to fill. Are you bored yet? Well, just think at it this way, you're saving money. And these little flapper kits were like $7, $8 a piece. That's not bad. We got them at Lowe's Hardware, which normally we go to a lot, but last night they kind of disappointed us. We went there to get a few items and they didn't have any bags. Imagine that. Lowe's Hardware had no bags. How are you going to run a store and not have any bags?
Especially 2 weeks before Christmas, right?
So the water level has cut off. Now, the test to see if it works or not, let's look down in the toilet. When you have a leaky toilet, you'll see little ripples, little bubbles, little things like that going on in the tank. Right now, I don't see any of that. So it looked like operation success. So let's flush. Bombs away. Okay. Pops and GiGi. Trying to save you money any way we can and make life a little bit more entertaining. If you like us, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. And I hope you'll subscribe to our thing and watch us whenever you can. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye.